No time to blow out your hair? Toss your strands into a bun. These fun and easy hairstyles will help you pull off a last-minute look that feels styled. If you are looking for inspiration to achieve this look, follow along for 8 of our favorite top knot bun hairstyles. But before we start, please take a moment and click subscribe for awesome lifestyle videos. The glitzy top knot. Whether your hair is curly, straight, thin, or thick, adding a sparkly clip to a top knot like this will always add instant sophistication and class. Sleek top knot. It's a great way to change up a look, and it's one of the best ways to show off your cheekbones and highlighter. Top knot with bangs. This style is as simple as it gets. Simply twist your hair into a top knot, fasten with an elastic and allow your bangs and a few face framing layers to fall naturally. Crisscross top knot. This simple style takes the standard high bun from messy to fashionable. Just a few easy to master steps and a couple of bobby pins. Messy top knot. This look is so simple that it will become your instant go-to, both in and out of the office. Half up top knot. With this look, messy is better, so you don't have to be too careful. Be sure to tease the hair before wrapping it into a bun, and to pull at the bun to add volume, and give the hairstyle an even more undone look. Upside down braided bun. A loose and subtle braid that climbs up the back of your head makes a standard bun more appropriate for a day at the office, or an evening out with friends. Full top knot. A few bobby pins and a little hairspray will have you rocking a ballerina bun with confidence. Hope you liked the hairstyles. Go try one today. Click subscribe now to catch more awesome lifestyle videos. Stay beautiful, stay cool.